the vast ice sheet of Greenland. 1,500 miles long and more than a mile deep. The world's largest island. 80% of it covered by ice. It's springtime here, though nothing is green. This time of year, the sun never sets. It just dips down to rest on the horizon. We're almost at the top of the world. But to really see what's happening here, you need to get on the ground. The ice is melting fast, and this island is warming.
It's like nothing my eyes have ever experienced.
It's also surreal. I mean, as you look out of the horizon, biologist Jeff Corwin and I have come here to learn why and see what impact Greenland's melting ice sheet could have on all of us in the decades ahead.
We have never seen a temperature rise in Greenland that drastic over a short period. It's only about 8 years.
So how far have we come?
We actually drove 11 miles down.
Dr. Conrad Steffen of the University of Colorado has spent 17 seasons here, 300 miles north of the Arctic Circle. What are these rotating things?
We have several sensors at different levels. These small planes, they measure the wind velocity.
He records the changing ice sheet through a network of monitoring and GPS stations. He's taking us to see and actually climb into a part of the landscape that's giving scientists important clues about why the ice is melting so fast. The Earth's climate has changed much during the planet's history. There have been ice ages and long periods of warmer temperatures. But scientists say our burning of fossil fuels like coal and oil has caused a greater concentration of heat-trapping greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. This buildup of gases prevents heat from escaping to space, acting like the panels of a greenhouse, warming the entire planet. Arctic temperatures are rising faster than anywhere else on Earth. Why? As the atmosphere warms, the ice here melts and breaks apart, exposing water. That water absorbs the sun's heat and causes more ice to melt. Scientists call it a positive feedback loop, and it's causing Greenland's ice to disappear. Last year, satellite data collected by NASA scientists revealed Greenland is losing 100 billion tons of ice each year. Ice does accumulate in the interior, but more ice is breaking off and melting at the edges. It's that imbalance which concerns scientists the most. If the entire ice sheet dissolved, sea levels would rise by 23 feet, spurring a global catastrophe that would flood coastal cities and displace tens of millions of people. Scientists don't think the entire ice sheet could melt anytime soon, but every inch of sea level rise counts. Millions live near coastlines less than 3 feet above sea level. You've been coming here since 1990?
When we actually started in 1990, we came here not with the idea to monitor the abrupt change we currently observe. And the first 2-3 years were actually colder than normal. And then 94, 95, we started to warm steadily. And since then, we actually have a temperature increase during the winter months of about 4.5 degrees centigrade, which is a very large temperature increase.
4.5 degrees, that's enormous.
That's one of the largest temperature increases we have on Earth.